So I just want to say that while I'm on my journeys, I obviously can't film everything. And a lot of stuff happens that goes on with the camera off that unfortunately doesn't get into the videos. One of those things happened last night. At around 1 o'clock in the morning, it started to rain, and I quickly got up, ran out to throw the tarp over the bike and the tent. So I typically attach the tarp to the bike and then throw that over the tent. So I attach the tarp to the bike, throw it over the tent, and go to stake in the tarp on the back side of the tent. And when I do this, tension on the tarp pulls the bike over. So the bike comes crashing down, almost crushing me, and scrapes my arm here, so it just missed me. Crushes the tent. So now the bike's lying on top of the tent. It's raining. Of course, I'm naked because I was sleeping naked, so I ran out. It was middle of the night. It's almost pitch black. And so now I'm having to lift this bike up completely naked in the rain on top of the tent. So I get the bike back upright and the tent's half crushed. The tent poles are bent. So try and just picture that whole scenario. So now imagine if I'd been videoing that. That would have been awesome. But the whole thing was a fiasco. And obviously in the moment it's terrible, but now when I think about it, it's hilarious. Trying to picture a naked man with his bike toppled on top of his tent, trying to pick it up in the rain. Anyways, let's get to today's video. Okay, goodbye to the Lions International Carlisle Campground. Right at the edge of town. It worked for the night, except for the disaster that I just explained. I don't seem to be any worse for the wear, or does the bike, so that's good. We've got about 400 kilometers to Winnipeg. Weather will be much cooler today. I'm just gonna tootle on down the road, maybe find a place for breakfast, cappuccino, and then settle in for the long highway grind. Not only did I have the tent fiasco last night, but before bed, I got a leak in my mattress. So I managed to patch it up, but I'm going to go by a sports store in Winnipeg. Gust of wind nearly took my head off, and I think broke my peak. Screw gun. Rip right out. Welcome to Winnipeg. MEC, which is basically like if you're in the US, they're REI. It's our huge national sports store brand. Is in absolutely the worst part of Winnipeg. But I did manage to pick up a new sleeping pad and even a fancy pillow. So let's see how that works out. Okay, I got some screws. I picked up my package and now I'm just on way to hopefully get a hotel. It'll be a high-end establishment, as you guys know, that I always stay in. Queen Bee. Apparently it's not the best for soundproofing. Let's see what $140 gets me. Yeah, it'll do. Okay, just gonna get myself organized a bit, squared away, and then I gotta go get something to eat. Here's the package reveal. My new fuel bladder. Hopefully this one doesn't fly off the bike. I'll have to secure it better.